After my big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair much faster until I discovered natural ingredients and learning the right way to use them. Ever since that time, I've been doing my own DIYs, and this have helped my hair to grow much faster, fuller, and more beautiful. And that's what I show on this channel. I teach you how to grow your hair using natural ingredients. But today's video is different. Today, I decided to try something new. I've been seeing this video going viral on the internet where people use Coca-Cola to wash their hair, and they claim it makes their hair grow much faster and also improve the texture of their hair. And since I'm a DIY person and a natural hair advocate, I decided to give this a try on my 4C natural hair. So I stopped by the store and I was trying to find the right Coca-Cola to use, and this was the one I selected. Alright, so this is my hair. I haven't added anything to it. It is dirty, so I decided to give it a good wash before doing this challenge. I was so curious to see what really happens when I put Coca-Cola in my hair. So I didn't want anything in my hair. I just wanted a clean hair. So I'm going to give my hair a very good wash before applying the Coca-Cola. And whilst I'm at it, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So let me know your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to share this video so others will know the result of using Coca-Cola as a hair rinse on your natural hair. So at this point, my hair is all washed and is ready for this challenge. And look at this Coca-Cola. Guys, it was too good to use on my hair. So guess what? I already started drinking some of this Coca-Cola. I just couldn't help it. It tasted so good. Guess what? I almost finished the bottle. But wait a minute, not too fast. We need to start with this challenge. I decided to save some for the whole challenge. So let's get started. Alright, so I just started pouring this over my hair and ooh, it was so cold. I purposely left this drink on the counter so it doesn't get so cold. But for some reason, it was still cold on my scalp. And guess what? My whole face felt like sugar. I was just tasting sugar all over. Alright guys, just be patient and see what happens. Do not skip any part of this video because you do not want to miss the result. At this point, I was getting a little frustrated. I wasn't getting the results that I was promised. So I kept dipping my hair into the bowl, making sure my hair is really soaked with the Coca-Cola because I really wanted to see the result. So I kept dipping my hair in it, massaging it into my hair, into my scalp, and guys, result wasn't coming. I was getting so frustrated. But guess what? Result must come, oh, result must come. I kept dipping my hair into this bowl, massaging it into my hair strand till I got tired. And look at my hair. Well, I'm going to tell you all about it. But let me say this. Before trying anything new on my hair, I make sure to do my research before applying it. So I did a little research on Coca-Cola to find out why people use it as a hair rinse. And what I found out was Coca-Cola contains an acid called phosphoric acid, which has a very low pH. And what this does is it tightens your hair cuticles, making your hair strands much smoother and also define your curls. So that was what I found on the internet, and that was the reason why people were using it as a hair rinse. It will not actually grow your hair, but it's going to improve the texture of your hair strands. So at this point, I decided to put a rubber cap on my hair for about 15 minutes. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking after 15 minutes. I still have the Coca-Cola in my hair, but it's all dried out. And just look at how my hair is looking. So per my research, it's going to define your curls and make your hair strands much smoother. Well, I can say that is true. I can see my curls is somehow defined and my hair really feels softer. Then I decided to give my hair a wash and see how it's going to look afterwards. So this is how my hair is looking after I had washed my hair and conditioned my hair. My hair feels so soft. But remember, I applied the conditioner in it. So it could be the conditioner making my hair softer. But I still can see my curls are defined. Let me tell you about the disadvantages of using Coca-Cola in your hair. Because of the sugar, it is going to cause some buildups. It's going to increase hair dryness, some itchiness on your scalp, and also might cause dandruff. Because of this, am I going to use this again? No. Do I encourage you to use it? Well, it's up to you. Everybody's hair is different. What will work for me might not work for you. So the fact that I didn't like this in my hair doesn't mean that you might not also like it. But I would not encourage you to use it because of the disadvantages that come with it. The disadvantages outweighs the advantages. So I am not going to use this in my hair and I do not encourage you to use it. Well, thank you for watching this video today. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and watch the video you see on your screen right now.